This is when they strip away humanity, chip away so gradually, spinning up a tragedy to take them out the factories. This is how bad you can be with weekend LARPing fantasies, corporate sponsored anarchy, oligarchs and Hannity. This will spark insanity, now fall apart and panic please. Got all the makings of a makeshift patriot. Hate fist, baby dick, majority ain't saying shit. I'm starting to feel safer as an atheist. Pull up a seat for Damien, this coup is so spontaneous. Disobedient to corporate chilling greedy men. Homesick subterranean, they've never seen the gradient. I'm just sitting here stoned, still waiting on the aliens. But I see the light, I see a way, you see a fence, I see a cage. I am enraged, I am ashamed, I am not even counting the days. This is what happens when everything's plastic. Society sputtering backwards. Leaders have always been absent. All this disposable cat shit. The start of the falling collapsing. Think how did all of this happen? Who is it that we are masking? Depends on who you were asking. But didn't you hear? This year losing your shit is in fashion. Not hearing too much from the Catholics. They thought they were sneaking it past us. I thought we could really get past this. They're saying the mass, the gas, the bats, the bricks and the books and matches.
Just skip the taxes.
There's still crushed dreams in these vacant towns. Slowly breaking down, slowly taking every waking moment, making sounds. The world shattered and it's safe and sound. The underbelly is awake and proud. The devil's gotta make his rounds. Wag the dog with the tail he was chasing down. Keep the good gift upside down.
The answers that we're not told, so we're holding their feet to the hot coals until they got cold. Corporate news ready to lock, load, and pop smoke. Moreover, information gave a new meaning to a foxhole. Yeah, they playing a shell game with hell's flames. Didn't know we was in troubled waters until the swell came. The bell rang and it felt strange, cause I realized we're still in prison. The only difference is the cell change. That ain't just the quota that Cuomo got. If you don't know, justice moving slow-mo like Robocop. Cats wearing activism like a promo prop. Doing it for the gram, treating the revolution like it's a photo op. But here's my op-ed to pop some hot lead and copper tops at the top of some of them cops' heads. That's for every time that the block bled. For every time they saw a lock dread and left them shot dead. Shocking to all profits and loss. Cons and the frauds on the obstacle course. Ominous force got God on the cross. Lot that we gained, lot that we lost. Rocking the chain, locked to a thought. Sickest atrocities, living illogically, mimicking mockery, sinning hypocrisy, twisting the prophecy, triggered by honesty, hidden lobotomy. This is psychopathy. Straight bonkers, fake judges and the fake doctors. Race baited by the hate mongers. It's pain conjured and the state sponsored. T-shaping the police state. Streets of the feast with a beef state. Send a big brother in a deep space with Tesla stamped on his briefcase. Use some common sense. Stay hard to play sight with the monuments. Check the documents. They doctored in. Where the fuck you think them Nazis went?